Hi Sri Lanka, my name is David Luchow. Welcome to Catapult Studios here in Germany, where I love to record. Hey, do you want to know the secrets of recording? Well, here are 3 points that I'm going to share with you guys in Sri Lanka when I do the workshops. Point number 1, if you understand recording, your mixing skills are going to go through the roof. You will not have to spend hours and hours playing with the mouse. You will get your work done really fast. And point number 2, if you understand room acoustics, that's going to help you record really fast or really well. It's going to be so easy to record any instrument you have in your head and get that sound that you have in your head. And point number 3 is microphone placements. Now, it's not really how you learn it in the textbooks. You know, it's nice to know some basic theory, and we as Sri Lankans love theory, but theory is that you got to do, but you got to really get in there and do it. It's learning by doing. And just because something's written in a book doesn't mean it's going to apply everywhere. You have to really be spontaneous, be extra creative to really get the best sound you're looking for. So I am going to help you unleash your creativity, and that is the most important thing. Like recording is not about having a stale sound, it's about having an incredible sound. And that you will know how to do after you attend this workshop, this one-day workshop, which I will teach you everything, all of this in one day. So hey, it's a lot to do, and we are gonna have a lot of fun, man. So it's gonna be awesome. And we're gonna have this recording at Ebenezer Studios in Sri Lanka in Bambalapitiya. So call Lean Mutugoda immediately and reserve your place, because the last video we did had an incredible feedback. Like, there were so many young people who called and said, yo, we are going to be there. We're looking forward to do this workshop with you. So it's going to be, the dates are going to be on the 13th of February, the 17th and the 18th of February. So book your place right now, and I am so excited to see all of you guys in Sri Lanka. You have no idea how excited I am to come down to Sri Lanka and share this knowledge with you guys. Hey, all the information you need will be in the descriptions, on my website, on my Facebook page, and in my audio engineering group. Hey, I'm so looking forward to see all you guys there. See you soon.